Hey everybody, Mark Stepp here. Happy Thursday. It's February 6th. Want to show you a quick update that we just pushed. In the contacts browse list, as well as the properties browse list, you can go into the records. And even right now, you have the ability to, on any given column, be able to sort the column or filter a column. So you can click on the little filter icon here and you can filter based off of lots of different things. You can do a few different items there. So whenever you go into a contact record, then it pulls it up and just depending on what you've filtered, it'll show. And that's all been there. That's something that we've had in the past. One thing that I've just recently added and made available, so you can go into your SAM account. You might need to refresh your screen, just reload it, and you should see this little search icon here. And with the search, what it does is it gives you the ability just to type in anything that you want to type in as far as text, and it will search the available fields that are currently being viewed. So in this case, if I type in Mark, it's found Mark in all of the email addresses. If I type in, say, Bolivar, it'll find any words in there that have Bolivar. So very quickly be able to search through there. If you have a different view, say maybe you want to use a tag view. In this case, I've got a lot of names in here. Maybe I want to come in here and I want to say, show me anything that's got my buyers. So it'll go through and it'll find buyer in each one of those places. So very easily be able to search any of the fields that are in the list. You can do the exact same thing in the properties side. Click on the little search icon here and 65613, it found it in the zip code field. So hope that is helpful. This was one of the enhancements that a few of the users asked for, and just a quicker way to do searches for different things. So at this point, you can search anything that's being viewed on the list very easily, both in the contacts and the properties list. If you guys have any other recommendations or suggestions, certainly reach out. We're always looking for good ideas and things that will help improve your ability to do things that you want to do. So hope this is helpful. Have a great day.